Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sadaf and today we are going to make a super delicious and easy no-bake sugar-free chocolate cookie, which I hope you like because it's so good. You will make it every day. Well, let's go straight and make it. They are also vegan and you can make them with your favorite milk of choice. I'm using regular milk, but you can use any type of nut milk that you have, for example almond milk or soy milk, any other type of milk, it's okay. Add 1.5 teaspoon of milk. To that we are going to add our sugar substitute. Today I'm using stevia. This is 1/3 cup of stevia. You can use Splenda or any other types of sugar substitute, it doesn't matter. And here we have 1 tablespoon of high quality cocoa powder. We are going to sift that with my little tea strainer. Okay, after you have sifted your cocoa powder, add 1.5 tablespoon of butter, a dash of salt. But if your butter is salted and you are using the peanut butter that has salt in it, you can omit the salt and a dash of vanilla extract. Mix them and warm them up over your stove, or you can microwave it. I'm just going to quickly warm it up until the butter is melted. After it's all nice and melted like this, you can add your peanut butter, which here I have 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I'm using homemade organic peanut butter, which my uncle actually grew the peanut himself, so it's super fresh and delicious. It doesn't have any additives and it's a little more runnier, so keep that in mind. If you are using regular store-bought peanut butter, make sure that it's also sugar-free too. Mix that in while the peanut butter will melt the heat of our mixture. It's time to add your oats. I'm using 1/2 cup of rolled oats. You can use instant oats or regular oats or old-fashioned, it really doesn't matter. But I found that if you want your cookies not to be so tough, it's better to use instant or rolled oats because they are processed and they will soften a lot better. These cookies are healthy, they are great for a snack whenever I go out or I'm running errands and I don't want to eat junk food. I always have a couple of these in my purse or in my handbag, a little plastic bag, and it's just good for a snack to go, you know. It's healthy, it's super filling, low in calorie, it's just great. Alright, after you have mixed your cookie pretty much and it's like this, I have a little tray that I have lined with parchment paper and just I'm going to put bite-sized pieces of our cookies on top of our parchment paper. By the way, this is a small batch cookie recipe. You can always, you know, double it, triple it. You know, all of my recipes are doubleable or triple them. Also, if you like enjoying cookies and healthy recipes, I have a healthy recipes playlist that you can check out. It's right here. And also I have a really good cookie playlist which is full of delicious, super easy cookies. And just let me know in the comments what other healthy recipes or cookies, or in general, what recipes you want me to try. Just let me know. I would love to know your comment. I would love to know what do you like me to make so I can make the best thing for my beautiful viewers. Also, did you notice that I made all of these cookies with just a little teaspoon? Super easy, you don't really need a mixer, mixing bowl, even a whisk. Just 2 spoons is enough. It's good for when you're, you know, living in a place or in a dorm or wherever that you don't have access to an oven and you just want to have something good, delicious, but without baking. This cookie is your go-to. Okay, I've prepared my cookies in my pan. This amount will give you around 6 medium cookies. You can always double or triple or even half this. They are going into the fridge until they are nice and set for around 30 minutes.
2 hours later.
Well, our cookies are out of the fridge. I just wanted to say out of the oven, but they're out of the fridge. They don't have any flour, they don't have any sugar. They are, you know, healthy. They are vegan. They're egg-free. What else you want from a cookie? Let's just taste them. Look at it. It's held its shape pretty well, so don't worry about that. They are soft and chewy on the inside. They taste exactly like a brownie cookie. I highly recommend you check this out. And before you go, don't forget to check out my cupcake playlist here and also my healthy recipes here. It's full of delicious videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and hit the subscribe button to see more delicious and healthy videos from me. And I will see you later in the next video. Bye!